the diamond capital daring to defy the world. Welcome to Around the Globe Foo. This is Amsterdam 2025, the diamond capital daring to defy the world. A city where ancient canals meet billion-euro deals, where Rembrandt's masterpieces clash with techno beats, and where freedom fights a global storm of conformity. Home to 1 million people from 170 nationalities and a 400 billion euro financial hub, Amsterdam is Europe's rebel heart. But with US sanctions, Chinese pressure, and rising seas, can it stay unshaken? Hit like, subscribe, and dive into a city that leans but never falls. Amsterdam isn't just a postcard of canals and tulips, it's a global powerhouse. Officially the Netherlands capital, it ranks 3rd in the World City Index and 6th in the Global Livability Report for 2025, per Mercer, June 2025. The Zuidas district pulses with giants like ING, AkzoNobel, Shell, and Philips, driving a 400 billion euro financial sector, according to Financial Times, May 2025. But in a world of American protectionism and Chinese expansion, Amsterdam plays a high-stakes game of neutrality. What makes Amsterdam thrive? Drop your thoughts in the comments. With 1 million residents from 170 nationalities, Amsterdam is a microcosm of the world. Its diversity fuels innovation, but also tension as global powers eye its strategic position. This is a city that balances profit with principles, but for how long? Amsterdam's history isn't just cobblestones and canals, it's the ghost of empire. Once the heart of the Dutch colonial empire, the city built wealth on trade and exploitation. In 2025, the Rijksmuseum confronts this head-on, with new exhibits exposing the brutality of Dutch imperialism, drawing 2 million visitors annually, per The Guardian, April 2025. Meet Aisha, an activist pushing for repatriation of stolen artifacts. These objects aren't trophies, she says. They're wounds. Should Amsterdam return its colonial artifacts? Comment below. Amsterdam isn't just repenting, it's acting. In 2024, the Netherlands repatriated 500 artifacts to Indonesia and Suriname, per Reuters, March 2025. But critics say it's not enough. Reparations and apologies are still debated in city halls. This is a city reckoning with its past while shaping its future. In Amsterdam's heart lies its most misunderstood industry, the diamond trade. For 400 years, this city has been the world's diamond capital, cutting gems with unmatched precision. In 2025, Amsterdam's diamond market is worth 10 billion euros, per De Beers, May 2025. But it's under siege. US sanctions on Russian diamonds and China's synthetic gem empire threaten its legacy. Meet Peter, a third-gen. Amsterdam fights back with sustainability. 80% of its diamonds are now ethically sourced, leading the world in transparent supply chains, per Bloomberg, June 2025. Can Amsterdam's diamonds outshine the competition? Drop your thoughts below. Amsterdam's nightlife is legendary, a pulsing heartbeat of freedom. From Melkweg's thumping beats to Paradiso's electric chaos, the city draws 5 million nightlife tourists annually, per Amsterdam Tourism Board, June 2025. But behind the euphoria, shadows loom. Gentrification is pushing out local artists, and US-backed anti-narcotics campaigns have sparked police crackdowns on drug tourism, per NRC, May 2025. Meet Lena, a DJ fighting to keep her club alive. This is our freedom, she says. They can't take it. Should Amsterdam defend its nightlife? Comment now. As the US pushes conservative morality on allies, Amsterdam stands defiant, an oasis of tolerance in a tightening world. But at what cost? Amsterdam is a rebel with a cause. With more bikes than people and one of Europe's greenest infrastructures, it leads in climate innovation. In 2025, its canal system is monitored by AI to combat a 15-centimeter sea level rise since 2000, per IPCC, June 2025. Entire districts are now car-free and energy-neutral, defying U.S. pressure to revive fossil fuels, per Reuters, April 2025. Meet Sophie, an engineer behind the AI Canals system. We're saving our city, she says, one sensor at a time. Amsterdam leans, literally and figuratively, but it never falls. Can it stay resilient? Share your thoughts. Thank you for exploring Amsterdam 2025 with Around the Globe Foo. From defiant nightlife to ethical diamonds, this is a city that dares to be different. But in a world demanding conformity, can Amsterdam remain Amsterdam? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more epic journeys. Next, we're uncovering a city rewriting the rules of power. Can you guess where? Hit the bell to find out.